In this video I want to show how to install the journal tagger for ArchiCAD 21. The first thing you do is to go into glasshousebim.com and log into your user, or create one if you don't already have one. When you enter Glasshouse, you'll go to the last project you're on. In here, in the top right corner, there's a help button. If you click that, you'll go over to our help page. When you're at the help page, if you search for journal tagger, it'll pop up down here, journal tagger. We've made a page in English for the journal tagger. Click it and you'll get into the page. On this page, this is where you can find this video and other videos on how you use the journal tagger. But it's also here that you download the ArchiCAD 21 journal tagger. So the link is here, you click it, it'll download onto your desktop, or into your downloads file. If you open it up, just follow the step-by-step install and it'll be finished in no time. Then we have to open ArchiCAD, and since the journal tagger is still in beta, to ensure that it always works, it's best to open ArchiCAD 21 as an administrator. I've had issues where there might be issues when you don't open it as an administrator in the current version. So let's just make a new project. And after the journal tagger has been installed, you'll see in the ribbon on the top that it says Glasshouse. I have installed both the ArchiCAD exporter, but now we also have the tagger here. So before we start using the tagger, it's important to say that the project that we've now created needs to be saved before it works. So let's just call this journal show off. Save it. And the first thing we need to do is set up the shortcut for the journal tagger. So go to Options, go to Work Environment, and go to your keyboard shortcuts. In the work environment, in this list, we can then scroll down and we can find that Glasshouse is here. Go down to the journal tagger, click this, and then you click the top bar here, and then you have to select the Alt 9 button. I've already attached it, but let's press Assign anyway. It'll override previously set shortcuts, but now we have Alt 9 as our shortcut for it. So we press OK, and now we can open up the journal tagger. When you open up the first time, it'll give you a little error message. Just hit continue and it'll open up the journal tagger. I'll get more into the whole layout of the journal tagger later, but for now we need to set it up so we can find your project on Glasshouse. So let's click the little wheel here. This is the settings button. When you open up the first time, everything will be empty. What we need to write here is app glasshousebim.com and version 1, and the API key we need to find. I'll write all this in the description or on the help page. When you need to find the API key, go back to your user that you've logged into on Glasshouse. Up in the right corner there is a user dropdown and there's your profile. This is where you find the API key. The second box here, it has displayed your API key. Take this, copy it, go back to the journal tagger, and let's paste it in, and you press OK. After a second or less than a second, it'll then show the first project here, up here in the left corner. To ensure that you have now linked your journal tagger to your profile, you can click this drop down and you can see if all your projects from Glasshouse are here. And basically that's how you set up the journal tagger.